This is Shopska salad, one of the most beloved Bulgarian salads. The recipe is very simple, but the quality of the ingredients is essential. You need to use only the best tasting vegetables for the salad. I start by slicing an onion to quarter rounds. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try to make them as thin as possible. Transfer the onions in your favorite salad bowl and continue with the cucumber. Use thin, seedless, and crispy cucumber. You don't have to peel it, but mine had a thick skin, so I decided to peel it partially. This is how you safely chop a vegetable, and this is how Bulgarians chop their vegetables, with the blade against the finger. To prevent injuries, do not attempt cutting like a Bulgarian. For this salad, you need a raw, sweet pepper with thin flesh. In Bulgaria, we use peppers similar to gypsy peppers, but I couldn't find them anywhere, so I used mini sweet peppers. Use the juiciest and the sweetest tomato you can find. Bulgarians pride themselves with their tomatoes. Shopska salad was developed in Bulgaria in 1955 to attract tourists. The chefs who created the salad used ingredients to match the colors of the national flag: white, green, and red. I use only sunflower oil and salt to season the salad. Some Bulgarians like to add a little bit of vinegar, but I don't. And this is the most essential part of the recipe: grating Sirene on top. Sirene is a Bulgarian type of feta that is made from cow's milk. In most Bulgarian restaurants, they serve Shopska salad with a single parsley leaf and an olive in the center. Bulgarians serve Shopska salad as an appetizer with a glass of rakia, which is our traditional fruit brandy, or as a side dish with dinner. When I was growing up, I even ate Shopska salad for lunch with plenty of bread for dipping. And dipping the bread in those salad juices is the best part. You have to try it. Let me know if you want to see more Bulgarian recipes on my channel. Thank you so much for watching.